Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys infinix phone setting guys, and today video title is guys automatic time guys. How can we on and how can we use it? Friends, you want to on guys your phone automatic date and time setting guys will set automatic. So how can we on and how can we use today friends? I will show you. I will tell you guys. So first of all guys, open your phone setting guys, and then we will tap here get date and time setting guys. We will search here date and time setting guys. So we will search get date and time setting and we will wait for a while. So guys, you can see guys your phone date and time setting guys. It will take time guys, I think. Not that phone guys, don't worry guys. Come back and friends, you can see guys your phone system setting guys. Tap on system setting. Then guys you can see your date and time setting and we will tap here. So example for guys, first of all guys, I will change the date. Suppose guys today is November, I will change here, and friends you can see guys I will change guys this phone time also. So friends you can see this time and date will change or we have changed. So friends you can see guys your use provide network time we tap here, and the use network provide time we will tap here to on it. So guys you can see after on guys our date and time will set automatic guys current time and current date, and guys after on get the setting up we cannot use guys the date and time setting. As you can see we cannot change it. So like that guys you can use guys your date and time setting guys, your automatic time and date setting, and then you can see your automatic time zone guys you can on and off from here. Guys use 24 hour guys you want to on, so you can on, and guys you can use from here in your infinix phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.